Welcome to AI Tools for Business, where we explore practical uses for AI to help your business by approaching the individual problem that you have and then how AI tools can help you. So let's begin. So to get started, a small company or an SME may need to be able to create a brand or do a logo, even do their name card. But this can be quite expensive, so you spend a lot of your time going out, meeting graphics artists, name card producers, etc. So what I'm going to show you here is how to do your branding, how to do a logo, and finally, a business card. So let me run through this with you. We're going to do the branding, build a prompt. So we need to use ChatGPT, or in our case, Perplexity, to generate a prompt for the image. Then we're going to generate a logo using ideogram. And then we'll take that logo and we'll use a free tool called Photopea to edit the logo. Once we've edited the logo, we're going to use that logo and create QR code. With the QR codes, we're going to then put all of this together into building a name card. And for that, we're going to use Canva. And just for your information, most of these tools are used for free. You don't need to pay for any subscriptions for any of these. But if you want to have a bit more power or generate more images, for example, then you could go for the lowest cost subscription. So let's begin. So we start by pulling up Perplexity and typing in our prompt. Let's ask Perplexity, what do we need to do to create a logo? Help me write a great prompt to ideogram.ai to make me a company logo and brand theme. Ask me any question that will help you in this task, and once answered the question, generate the prompt for me. And let's see what it creates. Okay, so technically speaking, this is the hardest part. But I'll walk you through it, and I've got some little tools that will help in the process. And let's construct this prompt, all right? Okay, let's start going through this list. Let's start with the company name, all right? So I'm going to create one called Future Embrace Limited. Now, the industry, for my case, is IT agnostic, okay, with AI. And let me see, we've got the target audience, so SME and startup businesses, and brand value, building the future with technology and AI. Yeah, spelt badly, correct that. Now color. Now this is an odd one. So this is where we need the color psychology chart. Feel free to pause the video to look for your particular color psychology emotion that you want to put with your business. For me, I'm going to choose blue, trust, strength, stability. So I'll go with that, and I'll put my preference is blue, shades of blue. That's mine. All right. Now, English spelling, by the way. So style. What style? I'll say random style. Don't have a specific idea. Maybe I'll just, let me say modern minimalist, all right, for a style. You can always ask AI, what are the ranges of styles I should choose? And let me see now. Now, competition. Now, who's the competition? So, non-identified, feel free to check, all right, so that the AI will be able to come up with something. Usage will be a website and a business card. You could actually say mobile app if you wanted to, or some other purpose, maybe a banner on the side of a building. And finally, additional elements. This will be the style. That's the kind of thing you need to do in ideogram. So from that, we will then go and press enter and see what it generates. So our prompt is generated, and then we go zoom into it, and we copy from the create a modern down to the bottom. Copy that, go over to ideogram, and then we paste it in. Don't forget to select your color palette, and then generate. and you'll see the bottom right corner here, you'll see the images being generated. There they go, in almost real time. And then you select which one you like, and if you don't like any of those, do it again. So I did it a few times, and I like this one, the top left one. So you select your image, and you can keep doing it for free, but what you can do once you've found the one you like is you can upscale. Now you need to upscale for your printing, but here's the thing, right? You don't need to pay for a subscription until you found the one you like. Then you can pay for the lowest subscription just so you can do the upscale. It's worth it. Save you a lot of time, and as you can see, upscale is right there in the top right corner. So I didn't like that last one, so I ran a few more cycles and I found this one that I quite like. So upscale that one, and then once it's upscaled, I can click on the three dots to download the upscaled image, better resolution. You'll have two options. One is the PNG and the other one is the JPEG. I always prefer go for PNG because the PNG is complete image, whereas the JPEG, you get some loss because it compresses the image. So now we have our image. Let's go over to Photopea and see what we can do with the image that we've downloaded. So in Photopea, you can select the image, drag and drop it straight into Photopea. Make sure you got your ad block turned off. Completely free. It's advertisement orientated. Now while we're in Photopea, this is not an AI tool, but in here you can copy different sections and you can remove the background. You can do various things with this to manipulate the images. If you're familiar with Photoshop, it's almost identical to Photoshop in the way that it works. So what we need to do is remove the background. So I'll select the magic wand in the left menu and click the background and then hit the delete key, which deletes all the background. And if you have a variable background, you might want to use something like a BG remover, background remover. All right. So what we'll do is we'll select the area and just to be able to crop it. So select the area, crop, and don't forget to remember to also cut out the background in your text, especially if you've got letters that have like a B, an O, R, those kind of things. All right. Sometimes you can forget, and then when you put them on a background, you go, oh my goodness. So once you're happy with your selection, export it as a PNG so that you maintain the transparent background. Then select the logo part of your image and save it as a separate image for your business card for later. Then we'll navigate over to Canva and search for or create a design. Type in business card, look for a template that you like. You can always create your own if you have an idea for what you like. Put your template in, and then this is where we drop in the images that we saved from Photopea, your AI generated images. Move them around as you like. Once you've done that, and remember this is a free canvas. All right, Canvas is free to do this basic thing. Now once you've done that, then when you want to print it, you'll need to have a high resolution version, and that's where Canva gets you. But if you can get away with a low resolution version, then you should be okay. But there you go. You've created a business card from AI to production ready. And depending on how high you want the quality, that's where you have to pay for the subscription. No free lunch, but it's the best you can get without wasting money. So that's our basic card. Now, what about QR code? Well, head over to our website called QR Code Monkey, or I usually Google QR Monkey, but this is where you go. Links will be below. Put in the URL that you want your QR code to refer to, and you've got quite a bit of customizable options here. This is why I like this pretty much. One of the best. Like you can put your logo in. So you go and fetch the logo that you created, put it into your QR code, set up all the options, maximize the resolution, customize it to the way you feel. All right, and then when you generate, you've got your QR code with your logo right in the center. Perfect. Then once you've got that, you want to export the QR code image. Once you export that image, you can drag it into Canva and add it to your business card. So let me show you how mine looks after I've done this. So there you have it, AI to business card. Now, Canva is one of those tools that does have AI integration, although I found that I get a bit more flexibility using this approach. Plus QR codes, right? Now, AI tools are evolving all the time, and what I've shown you here is one simple case of creating your brand and your business card using AI. So hopefully this helps some of you get up to speed, and I hope to see you again soon. So remember, subscribe, click the like button, and leave a comment. What would you like me to cover next time? All right, so stay cool and let's enjoy this AI revolution.